Hey guys, it's Lori and Lucy with my unboxing number 2 for DP with Sparklers. Oh, she's gonna stretch. Let's get into this. Oh, she's gonna lay. You can't lay down there. All right. Love this box, branded. They're all right, just in case you missed the first one. Whoops. And if you missed the first one, I highly recommend you go back and watch the video right before this one. All right, get that plastic out of the way. We're going to, we've got our basic toolkit, funnel on the tray, wax pen baggies. And we've got yummy drills. Just wait till you see these. Gorgeousness. Now, there is a life I'm going to be living with this one, and it's called the 310 Life. But the effect is so worth it. I don't even mind. So, all right, guys, here we go. Look, of course, we got some rainbow. Bam. Bam. My sound effects, excuse me. All right. We're going all the way up here. Look at this. Talk about the 310 Life. Yeah. I'm going to let you have a good look at her this way. Then I'm going to pop her sideways so that we can talk about her. Let me move this just a little smidge because I want her face in there. All right. Gorgeousness. Can you imagine how this is going to look with mixed drills? This is Colorful Lady. The canvas, or the canvas size is 50 by 70 centimeters. So she's good size. We have our drill package with the matching number. Down here in this corner, you have all your information. Grid there, or schematic, or whatever you want to call it. And one up here. So on both sides. And let's get into these. I'm excited. Oh, I see some that I just think are going to be yummy gorgeous. All right. Ooh. Pardon? All right. Oh, these are some big old bags. Look at this. We've got crystals. 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 Oh my goodness. Look at that color. I don't know if you can see it in that, but it's gorgeous. It's like a teal. All right. Oh, and that green is gorgeous, and blue and light blue. Wow, look at this pink. Wow, 2 bags of that. Some purple, gold, and a white AB. And I'm sure that white AB, which is number 4, is right here. The entire outline and her big old earring. Awesome, awesome. All right, and then of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of our 310. Then we have a yellow AB and an orange AB. So we've got, let's see, that's probably 2, which is through here, 3, which is through here. So you're gonna have this strip of AB, and down here, these are ABs, the white's AB, everything else, except for the black, of course, is crystals. Now, this number 13, let's see here. 13. This may be the kit where she had to change something out. Maybe. I'll add that to the end of this just in case that there was something. Because I'm seeing, let's see, 13 and 14. Let me look here. Here we have this. We're going to have to look and see how we would know what bag 18, maybe it's just 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, it just coordinates with, okay. So you're gonna go down through here and this is going to be 18. Just keep on counting. I see. So this was number 13. So we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, F. Where is this? Okay, so we've got this line through here, which is black, is not just a resin regular drill. It is a crystal black. And also for her lips. So these are all number 1, which is regular. And then your Fs are gonna be your crystal black. Awesome, awesome. And then it looks like when you are figuring out what number bag for which one of these, you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and to 18 to correspond. So you could almost write those out to the side so you would remember, especially if you number your bag or your boxes with numbers. So, all right, isn't she just gorgeous? This looked amazing at retreat. It was completed. I could not leave her there. I was like, I will hate that black. I will be working on 2 diamond paintings when I do this one, because there's no way. It will make me a little nuts. It is all round, thank goodness. Can you imagine all that black and square? Whew. All right, guys, this is Colorful Lady, 50 by 70 centimeters, $49.99. I'm going to put all of her canvases at the end of this video again with the prices. In the description is going to tell you how to get these for now. They had some trouble putting things on these on the site. So there is a special instructions in the description below that you need to follow to order these. So, all right, guys, I hope you love this one. I hope you join me tomorrow for another unboxing. And as always, I hope you get to do a little diamond painting. Bye.